My name is Marcus Reyna, and I will talk about using artificial intelligence in music. The innovation of using artificial intelligence to create music. Artificial intelligence is a technological innovation that has helped us solve many everyday problems of life, but can now be used to imitate celebrity voices to create music. First, how does artificial intelligence work focused on the generation of music? Today, the soundtracks of millions of apps, podcasts, movies, and video games are being produced with the help of EA. But why? Because this tool allows creators to improve the quality of their works, adapting to different musical genres and adjusting their sound mix. The increase in the computing and the storage power has made it possible to work with more complex EA system, which, along with a large amount of data available, has facilitated their accessibility and implementation. These EA platforms have revolutionized music production and changed the way music is created, recorded, and mixed. Second, what ethic should be considered for the use of artificial intelligence in music? The ethical implications of AI-generated music are far-reaching. For example, if AI-generated music is used to create deriva- derivative works, the original artist may not be able to claim copyright protection or receive compensation for his work. In addition, AI-generated music could be used to create unauthorized copies of existing songs, which could lead to a decrease in the value of copyrighted works. Ethics is particularly important to regulate all moral and legal implications to use artificial intelligence in music. The third one, advantage and disadvantage of artificial intelligence in music. Some advantages are process automation. It allows machines to automatically perform tasks that for humans are repetitive and tedious. Reduce human error by reducing human intervention in certain process. It aims to change that this can make mistakes. Empower creativity by by freeing workers from repetitive unmotivating tasks, their minds are much free to engage in the creative process. Brings precision by being able to make decisions on its own. Artificial intelligence result in much more efficient, productive process with a lower error rate. And some disadvantages are difficulty in accessing data. For artificial intelligence to function properly, it must have up to date and reliable data, but this is always true for us. Therefore, one of the main challenges to address it is to ensure that these systems can access the data they always need. Its development is costly, although artificial intelligence applied to the field of medicine production, management of companies, etc., can be extremely useful. The development of them still has an extremely excessive cost, which makes them not accessible to everyone. You always have to consider the advantage and disadvantage of anything. This includes, in this time, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence work on the basis of programming. In this case, it focuses on guaranteeing information about people's musical taste. This should be taken into account in the question of ethics, as we need to see to what extent we do not affect the moral and legal issues of what surrounds us, and it is also important to know the advantage as well as the disadvantage of these tools. To always be informed and never fall into ignorance of what is being used. My suggestion is to always stay informed, and you can use artificial intelligence for something good and constructive. In this case, focus it on music. In conclusion, I think that artificial intelligence can help us to discover what people or clients want. And with this information, we can create a process of selection, planning, and interpretation of information. Thanks to the artificial intelligence, uh, we can create the professional music of people to the point of not affecting anyone in doing so. Thank you very much, and that was my opinion for in, intelligent artificial intelligence in music. See ya.